that's it. It fits, but it's right up next to me, so I'm very excited. So I am currently on my way to pick up my new used exhaust. It is a APR system with no front muffler, resonator, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, gentleman was selling it on Facebook Marketplace. Really couldn't pass up the deal. Videos I've seen, they seem relatively quiet. I do like the sound of this stock exhaust as far as volume's concerned for daily driving. I like the quiet car life, but I do want something a little louder when I get on it. We'll see if the APR system can handle both those. But yeah, really excited. Yeah, this is probably going to be one of the last startups with the stock exhaust for a little while. Maybe ever. Maybe I'll put it back on in a few days if I get too annoyed with the volume. But yeah, I figured I'd do like in cabin, and then I have a shot outside of just the cold start. The cold start is loud, not gonna lie. Well, hopefully this is going to be fun. Car is up. About to go remove the 2 exhaust bolts from the downpipe to the first muffler. And remember, always wear PPE. Let's do this. Get my face really close. And my chest. Oh, that's not happening. But I can take this off and show you what I'm doing. Are we upside down? We might be upside down. I have no idea. Yeah, this is right. Okay, cool. Those are the bolts I need to remove. Because that is my cat, meow meow, and this is the rest of the exhaust. So those 13s need to go. Now I understand why everyone's like, oh, I'll just get back to you after filming.
What you say?
You know, I'm also a dumbass. And this isn't long enough, but I'm also a dumbass. I'm trying to do this on like, what are they, race ramps? Race ramps. So it's just like, near the freaking top. But, you know, you gotta have fun. Well, hello. Guten Tag. Cool. Okay, well, that's off. Okay, we have the clamp off. Next is to remove the chassis stiffener, if you so want to call it that. Yeah. So without further ado, we're going back under. That APR gives you a torque spec for reapplying that. 15 foot-pounds. And luckily,
my Craftsman torque wrench only goes down to 25. So, the mechanical engineer in me, I can not safely say, and this is a total joke, so if anyone takes this seriously, please don't. The tighter I torque it, the stiffer my chassis, right? No, that is very wrong. Please don't do that. Wow, but those are incredibly loose. Like, not in a bad way loose. Yeah, looser than you're expecting. So, right up in here, right there, is the one exhaust hanger. And how I see a lot of these videos going is people remove the actual hanger itself from the chassis. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna necessarily do that, especially because this one holds the fuel cell. Oh wow, I just sound like such a cool kid. This one holds the fuel cell, which is right in front of my face. So, I think I'm gonna actually try to muscle that one off. If I can't, then it's gonna off. I mean, it's just gonna dangle there for a little bit. Oh, there we go. Now you get a nice close-up of my face. But that is off. Klaus has now... Oh yeah, also by the way, my car's name is Klaus. Klaus is now Lucy. Goosey. So, okay, that bar's off. I don't know. Also, I don't know what tips it. Because right now it has the black diamond. So yeah, the guy I bought this from, he was nice enough to actually throw in 3 sets of tips. The ones on it, and then these. So I got a second set of this black diamond. But, so this one's double walled and kind of thick lipped, like you see there. Whereas these guys are like way lighter. A bit more obnoxious. I don't know what ones I want. But we'll figure it out. Anyway, grab this too. I need this. Because remember, cats are really good for the environment, and unless you're actually like racing your car, there's no point in decatting your car. That's just my opinion though. You might wonder, Colin, why do you have this muffler just hanging above you and it might fall on your face? It won't. Buddy, yeah. Oh. Currently, there's still one exhaust hanger on the vehicle, and it is right there. But the rest of this is off. Yeah, I don't really know what the plan is. If I have an extension, I'm honestly gonna try to take that off instead of trying to slide that off. No, unfortunately, this is the only extension I have in my kit. I lost the 3/8 quite a while ago. I think it'll be fine. It's not probably long enough. So after a quick run to the parts store, picked up an extension, blue Loctite swivel, and I actually picked up some of this stuff. We're just maybe gonna try it with the whole sleeve system just to really make sure everything's buttoned up. So yeah, without any further ado, we should get back to it. Well, like that. Actually, I didn't fall nearly as bad as I expected. Oh, but that's my face. That's why you always wear Safety glasses. Oh. Dang it. So we're gonna just wrap these up real quick. Look at my shoes or something. This is just a try to protect these in case I ever do want to use this exhaust again and or sell it. Yeah. Hello and welcome. Currently we're under the car. I'm killing my back. This is called janky engineering. I don't have a floor jack, so I'm just trying to find a good way to hold the muffler up. Let's give you the best shot of the most pain I can put myself in. That was a weird shake. So, what I can do. Watch the release of my new documentary, Colin's an Idiot. Out now on Amazon Prime. Let's pick you guys up and travel up to here, where the next thing we're doing is putting this on. Okay, time to put the stiffener back in, and I had to go with some blue Loctite. Definitely, probably, maybe don't need it, but I think. There we go. I knew I fit it. Cool. Now I get the Loctite off this camera. Whee! Time to put it on the back. We're in the home stretch here. I'm gonna keep these on. Kind of like them. Definitely louder, but yeah, no, it's definitely louder. Hey, just finished editing the video you guys just watched. Yeah, doing the install today was a lot of fun. The exhaust. While I've been driving it a bit, I really have been enjoying it down low, like lower speeds. It is pretty loud. It's not really ideal, but on the highway, I hear no difference. There is actually no drone on highway. It is fantastic.
maybe if you're under some load, but the road noise really compensates and kind of in a way helps out. So yeah, it's an interesting system. I think I'm gonna keep it on. Did like one little touch up. I just took the APR tips. I had a little touch up paint for the car, so I just put a little touch up paint in there. So I'm going to be putting those on tomorrow. But I've been having a lot of fun driving it so far. It's a great system. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just something I haven't done for a while, so I kind of just want to throw something together. I've seen a lot of videos out there that are great for showing how to install it, sound clips. I just kind of wanted to put my own little twist on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So anyways, thank you so much. Stay safe.